In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel on Agoda without using a credit card. If you're ready to explore every corner of the world, but a credit card isn't in your travel toolkit, don't worry. Agoda offers alternative payment methods that can help you secure your perfect home away from home. Let's walk you through this straightforward process step by step. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Once you have your browser ready, type Agoda into the search bar and hit Enter. This will lead you to Agoda's main web page, which is where all the magic begins. If you're more app-oriented, you can also open the Agoda app on your smartphone. Now that you've landed on the home page, it's time to log in. Simply click on the Login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the web page or app interface. If you're a returning user, just enter your details. If you're joining Agoda for the first time, quickly create an account by following the on-screen instructions. With your account ready, you can now search for your desired hotel. Use the search bar to enter your destination and desired dates. Browse through the list of available accommodations and click on the one that meets your criteria. Agoda offers a variety of filters and sorting options, so you can tailor your search to align perfectly with your preferences and budget. Once you've found the hotel you'd like to stay at, go ahead and click on Book to start the reservation process. After selecting your booking, follow the prompts to proceed to the checkout page. This is a crucial step because here you'll finalize your payment details. The key is to look at the payment options. In addition to the usual credit card methods, Agoda offers alternative options like monthly terms and various digital payments. These options allow you flexibility and convenience, catering to different financial plans and preferences. Now, it's time for the last step, completing the booking. Once you've selected a non-credit card payment method, carefully submit your payment information in the designated fields. Double-check everything to ensure that your booking and payment details are correct, then proceed to confirm your reservation. And just like that, your booking is complete without the need for a credit card. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification on your app, and you'll be all set for your trip. Remember to save this information for your trip, as you'll need it when you check into your chosen hotel. That's it. You've successfully booked your stay on Agoda using an alternative payment method. Travel planning is all about finding solutions that work best for you, and Agoda's diverse options help make the process that much smoother. Enjoy your trip and happy travels.